Good morning, friends. How many of you are eating breakfast? Do you want to eat breakfast, but you don't have time? Okay, that's me. I'm going to start eating breakfast, or no, actually, I have been eating breakfast, and it really does help to make sure I have enough energy for the day. But I still have my morning routine of exercise and just all the things I'm trying to fit in this amount of time. And so there's no way I'm cooking a breakfast. That's just not going to happen. So here's some ideas that I'm figuring out that I want to share with you on ways to make it easy and doable. Remember, mindset is 80% of what we're doing. So if you want something bad enough, you're going to find a way to figure it out. So I'm Wendolyn Davis. I'm a wellness warrior, a force for God and a force for good. And I love sharing tips with you so you can optimize your health and get the results you want. Okay, so I found at Costco sausage. It's already pre-made and it's all basil and chicken, black pepper. And I'm like, yeah, I'm not a huge sausage person, but I'm like, why not? Let's try it. So this morning, I just heated some up and tried one. It has 16 grams of protein, so that's pretty good. And then if you're having an egg with it, that's even more protein. And what's missing? The greens, right? Or some form of vegetable. So I had snap peas this morning, like half a bag with some cucumbers. Also, first thing in the morning, my husband and I are drinking lemon water, which is so good for our body, but that's a whole nother story. So first thing in the morning, we're having lemon water. Then we're actually having celery juice after that. And then for the protein and fiber of other things, this is what I'm trying. So honestly, the sausage might not be my favorite, but it was worth a try. And I'm going to go back to my yogurt. Okay. So this is fast and easy. And this one has 16 grams of protein. Or you could just take plain yogurt and add blueberries to it and granola. So you can do a lot of things with plain yogurt. And this one has 20 grams of protein for 3/4 of a cup. So this is really, really good. And then hard-boiled eggs are so easy. You could totally make them ahead and they're going to store in the fridge for maybe a week. And then they're really good as a snack as well. Okay. Also this morning, or actually last night, I remembered that I had got salmon out and we've already cooked some, but I need to cook this today or it's going to go bad. And I'm like, I just don't want the boring way that I did the last one. And so I'm like, oh, I could totally make my kale salad and instead of chicken, use the salmon. So I only have an hour for lunches. And so this morning, I'm like, wait, I could totally be making my sweet potatoes while I was doing other things. Okay. So that was like a 5-minute cut up and I may have let them sit too long. And so they may be a little brown on the bottom, but not a problem. They're still going to taste good in my salad. Um, so I cooked these this morning. That was easy, but notice my thought about it. The old me would have been like, well, I don't have time to do that. How's that going to work? Like, no, I wanted a kale salad. I don't want my salmon to waste. And so I'm totally going to figure it out. And then I remembered, wait, I don't even have any kale in the house. And then I'm like, oh, yeah, you have some in your garden. So we got that figured out. And that is so doable for lunch. Yesterday for lunch, I cooked a bunch of extra chicken. I broiled it in the oven. It was like 5 minutes on each side. So that was easy. And again, I did that during lunch so that last night we made a Waldorf chicken salad. And then I can totally eat this for dinner tonight, or I will probably save it for tomorrow. Okay. So you can have that in lettuce as a salad. I had a few crackers with it. There's so many things you can do with chicken salad. Yay. Okay. So I've got me a couple meals here and I ate breakfast and I feel great and I'm ready for the day. So where are you in your journey? What is it that you're working on? What's the result you want? You always need that picture in your mind of what it is you want, because that's what can give you the determination to figure things out. And always check in with your story, your sentences. What are you telling yourself? So this is totally possible. And planning reduces brain drama. And it's so relaxing. It's totally lowers the stress to know I know what I'm having for lunch and I know what I'm having for dinner. And even tomorrow, because anytime I'm making something now, it's going to be for a couple days. Oh, and You can have fruit with breakfast too, right? You've got your vegetables, and this is always my dessert. Our peach tree, they are so good. But I'm like, nope, after each meal, we can have a peach and some cherries, and I've got strawberries I need to eat. Okay, so much goodness. Yay. And this is what our body deserves is the goodness, the fresh, the vitamins, all the minerals, all the nutrients that are found in these kind of foods. Oh yeah. And I stuck this up here. Um, this is bone broth protein. And so I just put a scoop of this in. I like to save my salsa jars because it's easy to put a scoop in here with water. And let's say I have yogurt, but I want a little bit more protein. I'm going to drink this with it. And so this is my fast go-to. Right now, honestly, I'm not loving my chocolate protein powder mixes. And so this is what my body wants right now. So that's what we go with. So just some tips, some ideas to share with you so that you can get the healthy habit that you deserve and that you desire. Doesn't have to be hard. I'm all about efficient and doable. All right, my friends, you got this. Bye.